Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a different video. We're not going to be working on the car. We're going to be doing some work for the car. In the past weekend, I went ahead and we ripped the floor from the garage. I had ceramic tiles, and those ceramic tiles were all broken. The car's too heavy for them, so I decided to rip them all out. I use a service called the Bull Bag, and that service allows you to put any thing that you want to throw out, and they come and pick it up on the bag. So you put everything in the bag, and the service, they send a truck to come and pick things up, and then you don't have to worry about where to put it or anything like that. And then they give you the bag back. So next time that you have a similar project, you just fill up the bag again, and anything that you want to throw away, you put it in there, they come and pick it up every time. The fees are not too bad. It was about $150 for doing what I did. So very happy with that. So now let's get to the meat of this project. So what we did was that after removing all the tile, we went ahead and we cleaned up the floor, but it's been stained. It doesn't look good. I don't want to use acid or anything like that to fix it. So what we're going to do is that we're going to cover the floor with special tiles, plastic tiles that will take the weight of the car, no problem. And it's also going to make the garage look really good. So join me for this. It's going to be a quick video. So I just want to show you what the floor looks like now before we do the work, and then a little bit of when we're doing the work, and then the final product, see what it looks like. All right, thanks for watching. Let's check it out. Well, we are done. The project is finally finished, and we have a new garage floor with the raised deck tiles. And I think it looks amazing. I think it looks really good. It was very easy to do the bulk of it. The majority was just like putting a big puzzle together. They all just snap in together. And then we just did some custom work on the sides and the corners, like back there, where it was a little bit tricky. So we just used a jigsaw and cut them to fit exactly where they needed to go. So I hope you like it. If you want to leave me your comments down below, please do that, so I know you like it. If you have any recommendations, if you have any questions about it, I'm also gonna put a link here at the description, so you know what was the material that I used from Raised Deck. So I hope you like it. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.